To create a table of contents, finish your book. Once your book is finished, have a regular table of contents where you have the title table of contents and you list all of your sections or chapters. Then click on Pages. This shows you each chapter's starting page. For example, in this book, chapter 1 is on page 4 and 5, chapter 2 is on page 6 and 7, and chapter 3 is on page 8 and 9. It helps to write that down on a sticky note so you don't have to keep going back to the pages view. So I know chapter 1 begins on page 4. I'm going to come back to my table of contents page and open the text box. Then I'm going to highlight the chapter title or the section title and click the link button. Once you click the link button, you'll put the page number in and click Save. Then click Done. You'll notice that this is now blue because it is hyperlinked. Then you'll go to your chapter 2, which starts on page 6, and I'll go back to the table of contents and I'll repeat the process, highlighting, clicking the link, and putting in the page number and clicking Save. Writing it down makes it so you don't have to keep flipping back and forth to check your page numbers. Chapter 3 is on page 8. So I'll come back in, highlight, link, page number, save. Now my table of contents is done and linked. To check it, click the play button in the corner of your screen. Then click on any of the links and it will take you directly to that page number. If you want to get fancy, go back to your first chapter and add a new text box. In this text box, just type the word home. Adjust the font and size, setting it the way you'd like it, and place that text box somewhere on the page. Then go back and check and see what page your table of contents is. In this case, it's page 2. Go back to the page you put the home button on and double click to open the text box. Highlight the word home, click the link, and put in the table of contents page and then click Save. You can then copy this text box and paste it on all of your chapter pages. Now, when you go back to the beginning and you click play, if I go to chapter 3, it takes me to chapter 3. But if I click the home button, it takes me right back to my table of contents. Note that the table of contents links only work when you're in play mode.